Hey guys, hey girls, hey whoever, it's Kimberly, welcome back to my channel. Now today I'm going to be doing 3 holiday makeup looks for you guys. So let's get started on the first one, which will be silver. Okay, we'll be starting off with the iconic London palette. The Day to Slay palette. We're going to be starting with Marshmallow, this light shade right here. And simply putting it all over the lid. And then we're going to go in with a little bit of Icon from the palette. So that's what our lids look like so far. I'm going to turn down my light real quick. But that's what our lids look like so far. Nice little shimmer on there. And then we're going to be going in with the Storybook Cosmetic Briar Rose palette and going in with Fairies. And this is what it looks like without eyeliner. So let's pop on some eyeliner and see how this goes. Okay. So this is how the silver looks with the liner on. Pop on a nice pair of lashes. You're good to go for a nice lighter look. Now let's go into the gold. For the gold look, we're going back into the iconic palette, and you can see we have this lovely range right here. We're going to be starting off with Copper Me Fancy. Then we're going to be taking a little bit of Bronze Babe. Then of course we have to use 24K gold. And we'll grab one smaller brush and take a little bit of Champagne Chic and put that on our inner corner. There we have our gold look. I'll put the liner on to show you how it looks. So this is how the lovely gold look looks with the eyeliner on. Pop on some nice fake lashes, maybe mascara if you like, and you're all set to go to your party. Now time for red and green. Alright, time for red and green. For the red, we're going to start with the Scarlet Dusk palette by Kjpbeauty. And begin with a little bit of shade. The shade's literally called Shade, sorry. Take a little bit of crimson and put it towards the corner.
According to Wikipedia, crimson is a rich, deep red color, inclining to...
Thank you.
You're very welcome.
So I'm just going to take some of this crimson color and put it in my outer corner. And then we're going to take Kiss from the Little Briar Rose palette. This sparkly reddish shade. Put it over the middle of your eye. But that's it for the red eye. And for the green eye, we're going to be using mainly the Storybook Cosmetics Robin Hood palette. So we're going to take a little bit of Merry Men and put that over your lid. And then we're going to take the shade of Robin Hood and place that around the outer corner. And take a little bit of the shade Forest. Put it in your outer corner to deepen it a little bit. And then we're going to take Shade Emerald from the Violet Voss Essentials palette and put it right over the middle of your eye lid. And then we're going to take a little bit of Enchanted from the Raya Rose palette. Put that on both of our inner corners. To try to bring both sides together. Now I'm going to wipe off this fallout and put a liner on it and show you how this looks. Alright, so this is the end of the red and green look. I look a little nuts right now, so it's more for like a bold look. But that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys on Friday.